So this is our decking warehouse. We have everything from yellow Blau to Iroko to thermo ash and even Ippy ironwood. Everything in it you can possibly imagine. Let's go have a look around and see. So yeah, we've got some yellow Blau 10x50 battens here. Obviously hardwood, it's incredibly strong and long lasting. Obviously very thin, and it's a very cost effective material. So if you're looking for a fencing on a budget that is strong, yellow Blau is great and has a similar sort of look to cedar. So if you've got some cedar there and you're trying to match it, great option for you. Got some Jatoba decking here. Now Jatoba, personal favourite of mine, bit of an unsung hero. It's got that dark reddish appearance, so it looks beautiful. But if you imagine yellow Blau is the budget timber and Ippy is the strongest ironwood timber. This is nearly as strong as Ippy and it's nearly the price of yellow Blau. I've got some samples there because I can't pick this up because I'm not Hulk. Let's pop over. For example, this is some hidden fixture Jatoba. We can put these grooves down the side, and what that means is you can put clips between each board and screw between them. You get a nice flat board with no screws on the top, but it also does come in smooth too. So obviously the smooth option if you prefer to do that. One of the really lovely things about Jatoba is, as you can see here, it's got a really, really lovely grain on it. Really characterful, really prominent grain. It's got some lovely swells on it. As a personal favourite of mine, really nice grain. Really strong, hidden fix, all your bells and whistles, and one of the cheapest deckings we own. So that's a really good cost-effective option for you. Going back to yellow Blau, here we have a huge stack, mainly of yellow Blau. As we're going up, I think we've got a bit of Ippy there, some yellow Blau, some Jatoba. As you can see, if you're looking at it from the side, it's sometimes difficult to distinguish colour between each one. That's because decking is a natural product and there is going to be variance from board to board. So worth bearing in mind that when you're ordering something, if you see one picture on the website, it may not accurately display everything you're going to get, but you're going to get a lovely range of colours. This is some yellow Blau Castle reeded, and you can tell obviously it's got the nice reeds on the top. This is really great stuff to walk over. It's really comfortable. Smooth to run your hand along, and obviously you've got the castle on the bottom. Now obviously some people like to go castle on the top, and in which case we've got smooth encapsulated boards, and we would probably recommend them over these. And we've also got the completely smooth boards. So we've got a range of options, but your choice, whatever you'd like to do. As I said, yellow Blau, really great option. Very, very cheap, very strong. So durability, probably looking at 25 years plus, but it is gonna be one of the cheapest deckings that we have. So great value for money there. Iroko is a bit of a fan favorite, Iroko. It's got a lovely, lovely color. The Home Improvements channel, they use it all the time. Lovely bright and beachy yellows. If you're dreaming of walking across the beach and having that like Tropic Cabana sort of feel, this might be a really nice thing for you. Yes, we've got some 10x45 if you want to build some fencing along with your beautiful new deck, and it will all match and look fabulous. We've got a few different sizes in decking boards. We've got 20x90, which is the thinnest option. Yeah, so this is a 20x90. So you're looking at boards about that wide, maybe just about as wide as your foot or your shoe as you walk across it. 20x120 middle option we've got over there, so we'll cut for that. But then we've also got the 20x140, so really wide, like that, lovely big board. So if you want the big option, Iroko's nice for that. If you want the smaller option, you've got that too. As you can see, the grain on this is really, really lovely. It's a bit more uniform in terms of colour than other timbers, very characterful. If you fancy yourself being down in the Caribbean, Iroko is a nice one for you. Middle sort of the range in terms of price, but very good value for money. We've got some Ippy here. Ippy is ironwood. It's incredibly strong. If I ran headfirst into that, my head would definitely cave in. If I were to run headfirst into that, I don't think it would budge. I think it might be the other way around. One of the strongest, densest timbers in the world. It comes from Brazil. It's been known as the industry standard strongest timber around for quite some time. You might get 50 to 75 years plus out of this. So if you're looking for something that is the supreme reigning timber, Ippy's not a bad option. And here we've got some more battens of different sizes. So we've got some OG architrave here, and I do believe that is in American white oak. To make you aware, we have got different battens. So for example, Moranti or American white oak. And we've also got some architrave. Yeah, if you're looking for some flat sill, step sill, architrave, doodle, we do it all, everything. This is some of our yellow Blau components. We've got some post 50x50 balustrade. We've also got posts in yellow Blau that are 90x90. If you want to build a deck in with lots of things above you and around you and really decorate it, yellow Blau's got so many different components, so many different boards and profiles. It's a really good choice for you. So yeah, as you can see, if you look around, we have so much stock in here, it's insane. There's Chef Ian, he's our local resident chef. So much stock, so many boards here. If you go to our website, Southgate Timber, you'll be able to see all of them clearly laid out. Lots of pictures, you can see the different sizes and options we have, and you can order them directly from there. Equally, if you're a bit like the other side of me and you want to be a bit of a chatterbox, give us a call. We can chat about options and sizes. We can help you calculate how many boards you might need, and then we can send you a quote to just click and pay. Should you need a deck, give us a call. Check out our website. There's so many things we can do for you, and we can even send you some of our brilliant samples we have. So yellow Blau, Iroko, Jatoba, Ippy, thermo ash. For all of those things we have, come check us out. We've got the full range here.